The most expensive trade you will ever take is the one right after a loss. You know the moment. You just got stopped out, your chest tightens, and a voice says, "Get it back right now." That is not a trade setup, that is revenge trading, and it has blown more accounts than any bad strategy ever will. Here is how to stop it. Revenge trading is not an entry problem. It is a stop problem. It is you trying to force the market to give back what it just took. But the market does not know you lost. It does not owe you a recovery trade. One normal loss becomes a hole you keep digging. The setup was never the danger. Your reaction to the loss is... Here is what actually happens in the 5 minutes after a loss. First, the loss. Then a spike of adrenaline and frustration. Your focus narrows to one thing: getting even. Your rational brain, the one that wrote your trading plan, goes quiet. And you take a trade you would never take on a calm morning. No setup. Double the size. Stop loss optional. That is the spiral, and it runs on emotion, not analysis. And this is the part traders miss. In that state, you cannot simply decide to be disciplined. The person staring at the screen after 3 losses is not the same person who planned the day. Telling him to just stop is like telling someone mid-panic to just relax. You do not need more willpower. You need a rule that acts for you before the emotion arrives. So here's the fix. A circuit breaker for your account. 3 rules set while you are calm. 1. A hard daily loss limit. Hit it and you are done for the day. 2. A cool down after back-to-back losses. Step away, 30 minutes, no exceptions. 3. A lockout. So once the limit is hit, the platform stops you from opening anything else. None of these are about entries. They are all about your stop, because revenge trading is a stop problem. The problem is, you will not enforce that cooldown when you need it most. So I automated it. This is Trade Guardian on MT5, the account protection tool I built. It runs quietly on your chart and watches your risk for you in the background on every trade. You set your daily loss limit once. I use 4%, then your max account drawdown. I use 10%, no indicators, nothing to babysit. Then it tracks your loss in real time and warns you as you approach the limit. The moment you hit it, it closes your open trades, deletes your pending orders, and locks trading with a cooldown after a losing streak just like this. It protects the account when your limit is hit. It does not predict the market. So remember this, revenge trading is not about finding a better setup. It is about protecting your account from the version of you that shows up after a loss. Decide your limits while you are calm. Make them impossible to override when you are not. The market does not owe you a recovery trade. If you want that circuit breaker on your own MT5 account, Trade Guardian is linked in the description below. Click it and set your limit today, and subscribe, because protecting the account is the skill nobody teaches.